Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you a complete demo of our lending system from adding clients, creating loans, record payments, and how client can check their balance using their phone. So let's get started. So ito ang ating database, which is the Google Sheets. So meron tayo ditong username and password and rule and status. So dito pwede nating ilagay kung sino yung gustong mag-login sa ating system. So ito just click login. So dito makikita natin ang ating dashboard, yung total capital, cash on hand, total savings, net profit, and the active borrowers. Dito naman sa left side is yung ating command button. So first is mag-add tayo ng capital. Just click add capital, select the date, then amount. Let's say 100,000, then just click save. Then a notification will pop up, successfully added capital. So just click refresh. So dito lalabas ang ating in-add na total capital, which is 100,000. Meron din tayong cash on hand na 100,000. So next is let's add borrower. Then contact numbers. Then just click save borrower. So si system is automatic na mag-generate ng borrower ID and the PIN. Just click OK. Then next is add loan. Create a loan. So just select the name. So nandito yung name na in-add natin kanina. So itong dalawang name is in-add ko na to siya kanina. So just select. Then let's say, then dito is the interest rate. And then the term, daily, weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. So let's say monthly. So dito naman payments, kung ilang months babayaran ni client. So let's say 6 months, so lalagay natin dito is 6. Dito naman kung daily naman at babayaran niya like for example 2 months, so ilalagay natin dito is 60 or 60 days. So ito is monthly, so ilalagay natin dito is 6 months babayaran ni client. So just click save loan. Then just click OK. So dito naman, makikita natin yung active borrowers na in-add natin kanina. Yung in-apply nating loan. So dito makikita natin yung outstanding balance. 5% ng 10,000 is 500. So that's why yung outstanding balance ni client is 10,500. Makikita din natin dito yung pending balance. So mag-add pa tayo ng loan. Just click add loan. Select the name. Then principal, let's say 20,000, and then let's say 10%, and let's say babayaran niya ng daily. So just click daily, and then let's say 2 months or 60 days. Just click save loan. Click OK. So dito lalabas yung in-add nating or in-apply nating loans. Outstanding balance 22,000. So 10% of 20,000 is 2,000. 10% of 20,000 is 1,000. So since 2 months and per month yung interest natin, kaya naging 22,000. So now let's record the payment. Like for example, nagbayad si client. So just click add payment. So click the name, select the name. So let's say ito. So just select the date. So let's say nagbayad siya ng 2,000 since ito kanina ay 6 months niya babayaran. So let's say 2,000. Just click submit. Just click OK. So, dito, makikita natin is nabawasan yung balance ni client. Since nagbayad siya ng 2,000, so may balance pa siyang 8,500. So, another, let's add payment. So, let's say this one. So, dito sa baba, makikita natin yung balance ni client. Dito, let's say 500. Just click submit. Then, click OK. So, dito, makikita natin nabawasan yung balance ni client. Yan. Dito naman, makikita natin yung borrower history kung gusto natin i-check yung loan details ni client. Then, just select the borrower. Loan ID. So, lalabas dito yung loan details ni client. So, yung date, principal, interest. So, dito naman sa baba is yung payment details. First payment is 500. So, makita natin yan. Pwede din natin tong i-edit. I-edit nyo yung date, yung principal amount, interest. Yan. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung ating database. So, dito makikita mo yung inad mong data doon sa system. So, ito yung inad kong data. Ayan, ito yung last data na inad natin. Yung loan details naman, ito. And then, the payments. Ayan. Pwede ding ma-check ni client yung kanyang loan details. So, dito tayo sa borrower portal. So, yung ibibigay mo dito kay client is yung link ng system. So, pag clinic nyo yun, inopen niya, automatic lalabas itong borrower portal. So, ang gagawin ni client is mag-login lang siya, lalagay niya dito yung kanyang borrower ID at ang kanyang 4-digit PIN. So, makikita mo ito dito sa ating database. Ito yung kanyang borrower ID. So, limbawa ito. And then, the PIN, ito. Just click sign in. So, ayan. Dito lalabas yung loan details ni client, the principal, total payable, total paid. So, yung nabayad ni client dito sa kanyang loan is 500. Yan, nakikita niya yan. And then, the payment history. Yan, nakikita niya lahat dito ang kanyang nabayad. Dito naman, matatrack ni client ang kanyang savings. So, ito is mobile friendly. If you want this system for your lending business, message me. I help you set it up. You can also customize it. And just contact me. Thank you.